Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw from your MT5 account to your Deriv account, or basically how to transfer funds from your MT5 account to your Deriv account. As you can see right now, my real account has 0.00. I don't have any money in my real account, but I have a couple about $1 in my MT5. So this is how I'll transfer it. First of all, head to Traders Hub. All right, this is your center as a trader, so just click on Traders Hub. Once you click on Traders Hub, scroll until you go to this CFD section. All right, whereby you will see, okay, as you can see, I withdrew yesterday, so as you can see, the remainder is 1.27. If I want to transfer this to my Deriv, I'll just come here and click on transfer. Once I click on transfer, they'll ask me from where to where. So it is from my MT5 to my real account, and the amount I want to transfer is the whole amount, so it is 1.27. Once I click on that, I just click on transfer. All right, and then as you can see, the amount has been transferred from my MT5 account to my real account, and there is the amount. And that is basically how you transfer your funds from your MT5 account to your real account in Deriv, very, very simply. I appreciate you guys watching until the end. If you have liked this video, please ensure subscribe, and please ensure you like so that it reaches out to more individuals, and please share to anyone who's trading Deriv so that they can become aware of this information. Others guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.